Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons for the second year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hadathi. So as you can see, today, inshallah, we will carry on with our unit, Neighbors and Friends. We will have lesson number 4, and because it's very important lesson, we will have it into 2 parts. Today, we will have part number 1. Part number 1, so let's start. Bismillah. Let's start by revising what we have learned in the previous lesson, my dear student. In the previous lesson, we revised colors, and you did an awesome job naming different kind of colors. Also, we use this to describe people's outfit. What are they wearing? And we matched them with the colors. Also, we practiced using ing verbs, playing, jumping, skipping, and also you were able to use can and cannot. We will revise them as well at the beginning of our lesson. By the end of the lesson, inshallah, you are expected to have all these goals. You will be able to describe feelings, different kind of feelings, okay? And we will get in a minute to describe what does feeling mean. Also, we will be able to practice reading a conversation. As you can see in your books, you have a conversation, and in order to do that, we need to do, as usual, to do plenty of exercises, different kind of exercises, fun exercises. So let's start. This is the cover of your unit number 3. As you can see here, I have a picture of different friends. Neighbors and friends are nouns, and they are plural. This is the name of our unit, and here I have a picture. A neighbor is waving and saying hi or hello to his neighbor. Okay, let's start by revising can and cannot. What do I mean by these 2 verbs? Here, as you can see, one guy is saying can't or cannot, the other one's saying can. I can walk, but I cannot fly, right? I can speak English, but I cannot speak Italian. There are things we can do and others we cannot. Let's try to revise. I gave you this one as a homework. I hope you have done it by now. Fill with the correct verb. I gave you here all the pictures, and I gave you the verbs below. Let's start by reading the verbs: skip, hop, run, and jump. Okay, let's try to complete I can what. For the first girl, what can she do? I can what? I can skip, I can hop, I can run, or I can jump. What do you think, my dear student? That was your homework. I can hop. Very good. I can hop. For the next one, what do you think? The boy, I can skip. Very good. I can skip. For the next one, what do you think? He can what? He can, or he's saying I can run. Very good. I can run. And for the last girl, I can jump. I can jump. Very good, my dear student. Let's read our answers one last time. I can hop. I can skip. I can run. I can jump. Very good, very good. Let's move to the next one. Now, here I have the same guy here, same boy. What do you think? Can he swim? Let's talk about the first one. Can he swim? He cannot swim. He's about to drown, right? So he cannot swim. But how about the other one? He can swim. Very good. He can swim. So let's read our answers one more time. He cannot swim. He can swim. Actually, he is having fun swimming. Okay? Now, let's try to form a sentence using can or cannot. Try to describe the picture. Let's try with the one to your left. Here I can see a man, he just caused a fire. Okay? So what do you think? He cook not. What do you think? Can he cook, my dear student? Do you think he's a good chef here? He cannot. He cannot cook. Excellent. He cannot cook. Obviously, he just caused a fire. Okay? How about the other picture? As you can see here, I have the kangaroos and I have jump. What do you think? Can kangaroo jump? The answer is it can jump. Very good. It can jump, or kangaroos can jump. Very good. They can jump, but they cannot fly. Very good. Let's try to do this one. Complete with can or cannot. Here I have mice. They run, but they swim. Okay, what do you think? We talked about but before. So here I have contrasted sentences. They can run. Very good. They can run. But they can't swim. Very good. They can run, but they can't swim. Now, how about the ostriches here? What do you think? They are birds, but although they are birds, they cannot fly. They cannot fly, but they can run. Actually, they are very fast runners. So let's read our sentences one last time. They can run, but they cannot swim. They cannot fly, but they can run. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Let's talk about ing verbs. We discussed so many ing verbs. Let's add more. Fill with the correct verb. Here I have 4 different kids doing 4 different activities. Let me ask you, what are they doing? By asking this question, what are they doing? I need the verb to end in ing. What are they doing? For the first boy, what do you think? Is he cooking? Is he sleeping? Is he reading a book? Actually, he is riding a bike. He is riding a bike. Very good. How about the other boy? What is he doing? What is he doing? He is playing soccer. Very good. He is playing soccer. Very good. Excellent. How about the next boy? What is he doing? What do you think? Is he playing soccer? He is playing tennis. Very good. He is playing tennis. And for the last boy, what do you think? What is he doing? He is running. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. He is running. So let's read our answers one last time. He is riding a bike. He is playing soccer. He is playing tennis. He is running. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, I need you to take a look at this picture and tell me, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? What do you think our lesson will be about? I have different figures here, different feelings, different emotions. What do you think? What's our lesson? We will talk about feelings. Very good. We will talk about feelings. Okay. In order to ask about your feelings, we need to ask this question. How do you feel today, my dear student? How do you feel today? I hope you are fine. I hope you are happy. So, in order to know someone's feelings, we need to ask this question. How do you feel today? How do you feel today? Probably the answer will be, I feel happy, I feel sad, I feel tired, I feel angry, I feel excited, I feel proud, I feel sleepy, I feel lazy. So these are different kind of feelings, right? So how do you feel today, my dear student? Give us your answer. I hope you are happy and having fun. Now, let me introduce the feelings one at a time. So what do you think? How does he feel, my dear student? How does this boy feel? He is, what do you think? Obviously, he's not happy. He is angry. Very good. He is angry. So, let's read. Angry. Angry. One more time. Angry. One last time. angry. Very good. So he is angry. Let's go to the other one. How about this boy now? How does he feel? How does he feel? He is thirsty. Very good. Thirsty. Let's read together. Thirsty. Thirsty. One more time. Thirsty. One last time. Thirsty. Very good. Very good. Thirsty. So he feels thirsty. How about this boy? Now, this one was thinking about water, so he's thirsty. But this one, he has the food in his mind. So how does he feel? What do you think? He is hungry. Very good. He is hungry. Hungry. One more time. Hungry. One last time. Hungry. Very good. So he feels hungry. Let's move to the next boy. How about this boy? Tell me, how does he feel? What do you think? He is very good. Unfortunately, he is sad. Sad. One more time. Sad. One last time. Sad. Very good. He is sad. Let's move to the next boy. How about this man? What do you think? How does he feel? How does he feel? He is sleepy. Very good. He is sleepy. So let's read. Sleepy. Sleepy. One more time. Sleepy. One last time. Sleepy. Very good. So he feels sleepy. Let's go to the next one. How about this clown? He is not sad. You can't tell that, right? So how does he feel? He feels funny. Very good. Funny. Funny. One more time. Funny. One last time. Funny. Very good. Excellent. Let's move to the next one. How about the student? How does he feel? What do you think? How does he feel? He feels lazy. Very good. Lazy. Let's read together. Lazy. Lazy. One more time. Lazy. One last time. Lazy. Very good. Very good. So he feels lazy. How about this boy? How does he feel? What do you think? He feels happy. Very good. He feels happy. Excellent. Let's read together. Happy. Happy. One more time. Happy. One last time. Happy. Very good. I hope you are happy, my dear student. Now, fill with the correct feeling. Now here I have same man, but different feelings. 3 feelings actually. Let's describe the first picture to your left. How does he feel? How does he feel? What do you think? Sad? Angry? Hungry? What do you think? Actually, he feels sleepy. Very good. He feels sleepy. So here I have sleepy. How about the one in the middle? How does he sleep now? What do you think? Can I say he is happy? Can I say that? No, obviously he's not happy. He is sad. He is sad. Very good. He is sad. But how about the last guy? What do you think with the red face? He is angry. Very good. He is angry. Very good. Very good. So let's read our answers one last time. Sleepy, sad, angry. Very good. Very good. Now, have your books ready at page 42, my dear student. As you can see in page 42, we have 2 parts, part number 1 and part number 2. I will zoom in for the upper part, okay, as we done this before, and then we will move to the lower part. Let's start. Here we have a conversation between 3 people here. We have Sami, Khalid, and Mark. What I need you to do is listen carefully. While I'm reading the conversation, practice repeating them with me. So I'll be reading this conversation 3 times. Make sure you are repeating the lines with me. Let's start. Read and practice. Sami. Hi Khalid. Who's this? Khalid. This is my new friend Mark. Sami. How did you meet him? Khalid. His family is living next to us. They are our new neighbors. Sami. Hi Mark. Nice to meet you. Mark. Thank you. Nice to meet you too. Very good. Let's try to read it this time. You'll try to read it faster. Okay? Sami. Hi Khalid. Who is this? Khalid. This is my new friend Mark. Sami. How did you meet him? His family is living next to us. They are our new neighbors. Sami. Hi Mark. Nice to meet you. Mark. Thank you. Nice to meet you too. Okay, let's read for the last time. But this time, I need you to do something for me. I need you to underline all the WH questions you can find in this conversation, because this was our lesson maybe 3 days ago. Okay, so let's start. Hi Khalid, who is this? Khalid, this is my new friend Mark. Sami, how did you meet him? Khalid, his family is living next to us. They are our new neighbors. Sami, hi Mark, nice to meet you. Mark, thank you, nice to meet you too. What I highly recommend is practice reading this conversation right after this lesson with a member of the family. Now, let's go and try to underline the WH questions you just find in this conversation. Let's start with the first line. Hi Khalid, who is this? So the first WH question here we have is the question word who. So remind me, my dear student, when do we use who here? To ask about what? Which information we are looking for by asking this question. Who is this? I use who to ask about a person. Very good. So I use who to ask about a person. Let's check. This is my new friend Mark. So here we introduce a person. Very good. So, hi Khalid, who is this? This is my new friend Mark. Now tell me the other question word you have found. Here we have how. So remind me, when do we use how, my dear student? We use how to ask about what? To ask about, very good, to ask about actions or how something is done. Okay, actions or how something is done. How did you meet? How did you meet? I'm asking about the way the meeting happened. His family is living next to us. They are our new neighbors. So I have two WH words or two WH questions. Now, move to the lower part of the same page, page 42. Look and read. So, here I have all the feelings that we discussed in our lesson. Let's start from the top. Happy, funny, angry, hungry, thirsty, sleepy, lazy, and sad. Let's read for the next time. Now I need you to pronounce the words with me while I'm reading it. Happy, funny, angry, hungry, thirsty, sleepy, lazy, and sad. Now let's read for the last time. Happy, funny, angry, hungry, thirsty, sleepy, lazy, and sad. Very good. So how do you feel, my dear student? I hope you are happy all the time. So let's revise what we have learned in this lesson, my dear student. We talked mainly about feelings. How do you feel? Introduce feelings. These are adjectives. I am happy, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm sad, I'm angry. These are all feelings that we have discussed in our lesson. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.